You've heard it said before, there's no place like home. It is your single largest investment. When it comes time to make improvements on your house, it's important to hire someone you can trust. Someone who understands and respects the love you have for your home and the importance of doing the job right and on schedule. You want to hire M & Sons Professional Construction.
When we were planning to sell our house, we realized that our bathroom and kitchen was straight out of the 80s. M & Son Professional Construction knew how to bring our house into the 21st century.
Since 1999, Martin has transformed fixer-uppers, interior messes, and houses in need of a little love into beautiful modern showplaces. Their expertise includes kitchen remodeling, bathroom renovations, all forms of carpentry like custom closets, cabinets, crown molding, complete additions, window and door replacements, and beautiful outdoor decks.
My new home needed a complete remodel before we moved in. Martin and his team of professionals renovated, reshaped, and refinished the entire interior just in time to celebrate the holidays.
M & Sons Professional Construction is a locally owned, family-run business with a stellar reputation in the New York tri-state area. Martin and his son Angel's pledge is simple: superior service, skilled and knowledgeable tradesmen, schedules and deadlines met, ideas and projects that fit every budget, and most importantly, keeping the promises they've made to their clients. M & Sons Professional Construction, based in New City, New York. Call us at 845-327-7802. Our courteous staff is available 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday to answer any questions you have. Keep your home looking brand new. Call M & Sons Professional Construction today. Let us make your dreams come true.